Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys date and time setting how to use. Friends, you want to use date and time setting, you want to adjust, you want to set up date and time in your iqoo mobile. So friends, now let's see how to use date and time setting. One by one, step by step we will talk about. Open your device, phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, open your phone system setting. After your phone system setting friends, you can use navigation setting, language setting, then date and time setting. So friends, open your phone date and time setting. You want to use date setting, you want to use time setting, you can set and you can use. Friends, open your phone time setting. You want to set time, click here, select time and you can set. So friends, I will set here 1 p.m. You want to set 1 p.m. am, you can select am pm, hour list and minute list. OK option friends, you can check. Time will set 1 p.m. and friends, Monday 29 May we have date today, and we will change here, we will set here 30 Tuesday. So friends, you can check date will set here Tuesday 30 May. So like that friends, you can use date and time setting, you can set time and you can set your device date. And friends, you want to change your time format. So friends, click here use 24-hour format setting. So friends, 1 p.m. will not show, time will show 13. Wait and watch. After guys use 24-hour setting friends, you can see time will show 13, not 1 p.m. and again if you click here, so your time will show 1 p.m. So like that friends, you can use 24-hour setting. And if you click here friends, time zone setting, so you can select time zone. And once you, if you click here set time automatic setting, so once your correct time and correct date will set in your iqoo mobile automatic. So once click here, you can check date, you can check time, Monday 29 May 11:33. So like that friends, we can use date and time setting, we can set up date and time, we can use date and time setting. And once you want to change date, you want to change time, you cannot change. First of all, off your automatic set time setting. Now you can select date, you can change, select time, you can change time. Again click here, you cannot select date, you cannot select time. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, do you have any problem in your iqoo mobile, you can ask me in comment section. Bye.